How to withdraw from Bybit to bank account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for bybit.com. It will land you on the official page of Bybit. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, what you want to do is click on Buy Crypto over here and then click on P2P Trading. It will land you on this page. Over here you have to select USDT and over here you have to select PHP. In the source bar, you have to search for cash deposit and then click on it. Once you are done, you have to click on Sell USDT. Now you have to enter the USDT amount that you want to sell. It will also show you the amount that you will receive. After that, click on Add a payment method. If you haven't added any one of it, click on Add Now. Select any of the payment method and then fill up the informations. Enter the name of the bank account number, and also bank branch. Don't forget to mention the bank name. Once you are done, click on Confirm at the bottom, and then your payment method will be added successfully. And that's it, and this is how you can withdraw from Bybit to bank account. Make sure to smash the like button, and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.